20 things. Let's start with our feline friends. Cats have a special organ called the Jacobson's organ, also known as the vomeronasal organ. This organ, located in the palate, allows them to detect pheromones, which are chemical substances that convey information about their environment and other cats. Thanks to this organ, cats can perceive odors that we can't even notice, such as signals from other cats or changes in their surroundings. It's a crucial tool for their communication and perception of the world. 60% of the human genome is similar to that of a banana. While this might sound strange, this similarity is due to all organisms sharing some basic genes necessary for essential cellular functions. It's amazing to think about how much we share with such a common fruit. The jellyfish Turritopsis dohrnii has an incredible ability. It can revert its life cycle and return to a juvenile stage after reaching adulthood. This gives it the nickname, immortal jellyfish. This unique ability to return to a previous state is one of the most fascinating features of ocean life. Interestingly, the length of your index finger is approximately the same as the width of your mouth. This proportion is one of the many fascinating features of the human body. You can check it for yourself. The Atacama Desert in Chile is known as the driest place on Earth. Some weather stations there have never recorded any rainfall. This extreme dryness is due to the rain shadow effect caused by the Andes Mountains, making it an almost otherworldly environment. Our eyes can adapt to complete darkness over time. In low-light conditions, the cells in our eyes adjust to improve our night vision. This phenomenon allows us to see in dark environments, though not as clearly as in bright light. Bees can recognize human faces. They use a technique similar to that of humans to identify people, helping them remember flowers and places where they found nectar. This remarkable ability helps them interact more effectively with their environment. Butterflies have taste sensors on their feet. These sensors help them determine if a flower is suitable for laying eggs or feeding. This ability helps them choose the best food sources and ensure the survival of their offspring. Did you know the Great Barrier Reef is the largest living structure on Earth? Stretching over 2,300 kilometers, it's so big that it can be seen from space. Home to thousands of marine species, this reef is a vibrant ecosystem and one of the most diverse habitats in the world. The Sun is a G-type spectral star, meaning it has a surface temperature of about 5,500 degrees Celsius and a yellow-white color. Stars are classified into different spectral types based on their temperature and composition. This type of star is relatively common in the universe. Dolphins have a sophisticated communication system and use unique whistles to identify themselves. These whistles act like names and help dolphins recognize each other in large groups. This method of communication demonstrates the intelligence and social complexity of these amazing animals. Mount Everest, the highest mountain in the world, continues to grow at a rate of about 4 millimeters per year due to plate tectonics. This ongoing formation of the mountain is a reminder of the dynamic nature of our planet. Despite its already impressive height of 8,848 meters, it keeps rising slowly. Speaking of technology, the first email was sent in 1971 by Ray Tomlinson. This pioneering message was sent between two computers connected via ARPANET, the precursor to the Internet. Although the original message was just a string of random letters, this event marked the beginning of one of the most important forms of communication in the digital age. Did you know that honey never spoils? That's right. Jars of honey found in Egyptian tombs have remained perfectly intact even after thousands of years. This is due to honey's antimicrobial properties and its low water content, which prevent bacteria and fungi from growing. So, honey is truly a food with an almost indefinite shelf life. Impressive, isn't it? Kangaroos cannot walk backward. Their large hind legs and tail are adapted for jumping and moving forward but not for reversing. This unique design helps them be very efficient in their natural habitat. Lake Baikal in Siberia is the deepest lake in the world. With a depth of around 1,642 meters, it holds about 20% of the planet's unfrozen freshwater. In addition to its impressive depth, Baikal is also one of the oldest lakes, estimated to be around 25 million years old. In Japan, there's a famous island known for its adorable inhabitants, rabbits. Okinoshima Island, also known as Rabbit Island, is home to wild rabbits that interact freely with visitors. These rabbits are friendly and accustomed to human presence, making the island a popular destination for animal lovers. In the cold waters of the Arctic lives the Greenland shark, one of the longest living creatures on the planet. It can live up to 500 years, making it the longest-lived vertebrate known. Its incredible longevity is due to its slow metabolism and the extreme conditions in which it lives. Just imagine how many changes this shark has witnessed throughout its life. The speed of sound is much faster in water than in air. In water, sound travels at about 1,500 meters per second, while in air it only travels at about 343 meters per second. This is due to water's greater density, which allows sound waves to travel more quickly. Sunlight takes approximately 8 minutes and 20 seconds to reach Earth. This distance is about 150 million kilometers, and it's a fascinating fact about how connected we are to our star. So when we see the sun, we're actually seeing how it looked more than 8 minutes ago.